Where are we at?
The man. Can we in the sea, maybe?
These are, I don't know, welding helmets?
Don't think they're welding.
The heck?
Yeah. There's a life-size one.
You got a little crush on him.
Yeah.
This is a rebreather. Come here.
I'm going there.
They have these in Fallout.
They do?
This is brilliant, and I need one. Like, get in there for real. Now wave your arms like. The bore on this is not good. Rifling's pretty grim. If you see this man in your neighborhood, call police immediately, because that guy's creepy looking.
That's by default. That doesn't count.
And we can't.
This is one of those bomb things. What's it called?
Bomb.
Bomb blower upper? Bomb electricity. What's that guy, Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunner? Yeah, that's one of those bomb things. C-Lab 1. It looks pretty rusty. And then they just glopped paint on it. They should have used core seal. This is the original door to C-Lab. It keeps out all the pressure. And then it has a little porthole. But this is definitely a pressure rated door. And on C-Lab, they wore these Filas. Those are the actual ones. And they had pool noodles for legs. That helped them float in case there was an accident. This guy is at a disadvantage. He has normal legs, and he can't float. And those shorts are way, way too short. This goober doesn't know that you don't take showers with your pants on. This is a Sunbeam giant loaf of bread. Best if used by October 28th. We think it's gone bad. This is the Mark 319 pressure-proof window air conditioner. Those are pretty rare. These are the approved canned foods on C-Lab 1, Libby's corn and sweet peas.
Ronzoni.
And Ronzoni packing popcorn. All right, we're in a place called Mexico Beach, and everything is knocked down. Like they had some nasty storm. Everything's either knocked down or getting rebuilt. All the trees are ripped up. It's just all ripped up. got no idea. We don't know where we are. We just left Perry, Florida, maybe less than an hour ago. Got some snacks. Got some drinks. Got some gas. We're 2 hours outside of.
I can't remember the name.
Tampa. 2 hours outside of Tampa. We had to pull 7 hours on the road today after we left that weird boat place because we kind of wasted some time in not Mobile. Mobile was cool. Biloxi, Mississippi. We kind of wasted some time in Biloxi, Mississippi. We lost about a half a day there, so we got to catch up that half day. There's not much to do anyway between. Where did we leave? Pensacola?
Yeah.
Pensacola? There's not really Pensacola to here. There's not a lot to do. So, where did we stay last night?
I don't know. Oh, did we stay in Pensacola?
No,
Yeah.
we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't stay in Pensacola. I don't know. The days are mushing together.
We have a video of it.
We don't even know what's going on anymore. We have no idea. No, we didn't stay in Pensacola. We stayed in Panama City.
Oh,
We stayed in Panama City last night.
I knew it started with the
Yeah, with the boat museum. So, yeah, anyway, that's the update. We're going to Tampa. We got to do some laundry. That's tonight's big goal, is to get some laundry done. And then tomorrow morning, we get to go to...
the big cat rescue.
Big cat rescue. Big cat. You do not get to pet a tiger. Goodbye. What are you doing? In a hot tub? You do like it? Yeah. Say something clever.
I like bananas.
I like turtles.
Save the turtles.
I save the turtles.
You do save the turtles.
Okay. We're in Tampa. We drove how far?
It was a tire map. It's
I-
9 hours and 15 minutes.
I wrote it.
9 hours and 6 hours and 41 minutes.
About 7 hours. We lost an hour changing time zones, so 8 hours driving, and the 350 miles stuck behind these pokey pants, just trundling Floridians that just pull out in front of you going like 25 in a 65. They're just like beetles. They're like big. Every one of them's in a giant SUV. Colorado's still worse. Well, what did you think of North Florida, even though we only saw the whole thing from the passenger seat of the car? Let's see that pencil. What did you draw on there?
Face.
A face?
Face, the eyes, the lips, the mouth, and the ear.
Okay. All right, North Florida, later. Tigers, tomorrow. 2 up, 2 down.